So video number 4 on the chainsaw bike. Almost done. It's looking nice. I had Dad weld this on just so I didn't weld through or something and it went through. That looks pretty nice. Gonna cut this down so it's the right size. And then I got this right here. Decided to use a pillow block instead of the flange mount. So this will sit on here, which will be on top right there, which will fit in to right there. I'll cut down this so it's like half or something. And then, yep, this fits on nice and tight and fit on a little looser right there. But, yeah, it's gonna be sweet. It's locking collar. I have another one to go on the other side over here. Oh, crap. Fit on right there. So, hey, might get her done today. Have to drill a few holes in that piece of angle iron right there to get this to fit on. Not exactly straightest holes in there, but it'll work. Yeah. So then have to make another one of these little mounts for the other side so I can fit my turnbuckle on. Have to drill another hole. And hey, she's pretty much done again. Then throw some paint on there, grind up the welds a little nicer. And there, version 2. Don't think I'll do a version 3 though. Maybe build a next one. Maybe build another one for next year. So, hey. Yeah. Might have a final video coming out tonight or something. Okay. Yep. Time to get to work.